In the system of equations above, a and b are constants. So here, for which of the following values of a and b, system exactly two real solutions. So we first thing we want to do system equation was set these equal to each other because they're both equal to y. So let's set 3 equals ax squared plus b. Okay, reasoning is because you want to solve the systems of equations and they're both equal to y. Okay, very good. Now, our best strategy here really is to quickly substitute each of these solutions and see where we get real solutions versus imaginary. So I wrote this back down out here. Now, the first one is a is negative 2, b is 2. So let's go ahead and substitute a equals negative 2 here, negative 2x squared plus b is 2. So 2 equals 3. Now, let's take the 2, move it to the other side. So it's going to be 1 equals minus 2x squared. Now divide both sides by negative 2 and I get minus 1 by 2 equals x squared. Now we take square root on both sides in order to solve for x. And then here's what we are seeing. We're seeing a negative number inside a square root. So there's plus minus square root of minus 1 by 2. So there are no real solutions here because only imaginary solutions, okay? So we can go ahead and cross the choice A off. Now let's go to choice B. A is negative 2, B is 4. So let's go ahead and substitute for A and B. So we have negative 2x squared plus 4 equals 3. Move 4 to the other side. So minus 2x squared equals negative 1. Okay, so 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So now divide both sides by negative 2. And then what we get is x squared equals, so these negatives will cancel off, is equals half. Now take square root on both sides. When we do that, we get x equals plus minus square root of half, which is basically not an imaginary number, but a real solutions, two real solutions, plus minus. So that is certainly a choice that will work. But let's quickly see about the other two. A is 2. Go ahead and substitute that 2x squared plus 4b is 4 equals 3. Bring this to the other side, negative 1. Divide by 2 on both sides. So we quickly see here there is a negative half. So when you take square root again, we get an imaginary number. So cancel that. And the fourth one is a is 4x squared plus 3 equals 3. So go ahead and bring 3 to the other side. And then what we get is 4x squared equals 0. So x squared divided by 4 for both sides, we get x squared equals 0. So we get one real solution in this case when you have equal to 0, not 2, because we need exactly 2 real solutions. So our choice is going to be choice B is the correct answer. To solve this using Desmos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write each of the equation like, so basically we have 3 equals, so I'm going to substitute A and B for negative 2x squared. This is the first one, plus 2, so I substituted A and B. Now I don't want to write it like this because Desmos will not read this. So I'm just going to subtract 3 from both sides. So this is cancelled. So basically all I'm going to input on Desmos, as you can see here on the right hand side, is this. So negative 2x squared plus 2 minus 3. And I'm going to do that for each of the equation. I'm going to see which of those will touch the x-axis on 2 points, have 2 real solutions, okay? So let's see the first one. Clearly does not, because it does not touch the x-axis at all. So let's look at the second one. Second one does touch the x-axis, so B is going to be our solution. Let's look at C. C does not touch the x-axis. And let's look at D. D touches the x-axis only 1 point, so it's not 2 real solutions, just 1 solution. So indeed, our answer choice with Desmos is going to be choice B. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you next video. Have a nice day. Bye.